Hey Zlork fam, welcome back. Today we're talking about something massive, both in size and in importance. The Large Hadron Collider, or LHC for short. But don't worry, I'm going to break it down in a super simple way that everyone can understand. Ready to explore the universe? Let's jump in. The Large Hadron Collider is the world's largest machine. It's a gigantic circular tunnel, about 27 kilometers long, located underground at the border of Switzerland and France. It was built by a group called CERN, and its main job is to smash tiny particles together at super high speeds. So, what does the LHC actually do? Imagine you take two really tiny particles called protons and make them race around this giant tunnel. They're moving so fast that when they finally crash into each other, they break apart into even smaller pieces. These collisions create conditions similar to what existed just after the Big Bang, the moment the universe was born. But why is smashing particles so important? These collisions help scientists understand the fundamental building blocks of our universe. In fact, using the LHC, scientists discovered something called the Higgs boson, also known as the God particle. This particle helps explain why things in the universe have mass. Without it, we wouldn't exist as we do. Okay, but how does it all work? The LHC has powerful magnets that guide the protons around the circular tunnel at almost the speed of light. When they smash, detectors around the collider pick up all the tiny fragments that result. This data is then analyzed by scientists to understand what happened during the collision. The LHC has already made some huge discoveries like the Higgs boson, but there's more to come. Scientists hope that by studying these tiny particles they can answer big questions like what dark matter is, or if there are extra dimensions beyond the ones we know. And it's not stopping there. The LHC is constantly being upgraded to explore even deeper into the mysteries of the universe. One day we might be able to answer questions like, what is dark matter? Is there more than one universe? And what are the fundamental forces that make everything tick? And there you have it. The Large Hadron Collider is a huge underground machine that smashes particles together to help us understand the universe. It's the most powerful tool we have for exploring the tiniest building blocks of everything. If you enjoyed learning about the LHC, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome science explained in simple terms. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.